Hello friends, have a nice day. ChatGPT is a trending topic these days and everyone is talking about it. It has only been 2 months since ChatGPT came to the scene. However, there has been a lot of buzz in this tech world. A week after its introduction, it managed to reach the limit of 1 million users on the internet. This ChatGPT has completely changed the technology we use today. Apparently, the OpenAI company that created this ChatGPT is now reaching success. Behind this trend is a company that we all know very well and has been waiting for this situation for several years. It is actually because of them that they achieved the best success in this artificial intelligence environment. They are going to get billions of dollars. It's none other than Microsoft. I'm passionate about staying up to date with all the latest happenings and sharing my insights with you. So sit back, relax, and let's dive into this ChatGPT program. Let's talk today. What is this ChatGPT? ChatGPT is a conversational AI model developed by OpenAI. It's part of the GPT, Generative Pre-trained Transformer, family of models, which are designed to generate text based on large amounts of input data. ChatGPT has been trained on a diverse range of internet text, allowing it to generate human-like responses to a wide range of topics. You can interact with ChatGPT by asking questions or having conversations about various subjects. Its training enables it to perform tasks like answering questions, completing sentences, or generating creative writing. Here are some of the commonly known features of ChatGPT. Number 1. Language understanding. ChatGPT is trained on a large corpus of text data, which allows it to understand the nuances of human language and respond to a wide range of questions and requests. Number 2. Conversational AI. ChatGPT is designed specifically for conversational applications, making it well-suited for building chatbots and virtual assistants. Number 3. Real-time processing. ChatGPT is capable of processing and generating responses in real time, making it well-suited for applications where quick response times are critical. Number 4. Natural language generation. ChatGPT is trained to generate human-like text, which allows it to respond in a way that is natural and engaging for users. Number 5. Flexible deployment. ChatGPT can be deployed on a variety of platforms and devices, making it versatile and well-suited for a range of use cases. Those are some of the commonly known features of ChatGPT, and the details may vary with each new version released. If you got a better knowledge about the ChatGPT platform from this video, don't forget to leave your like and comment, and please share this video with your friends to get a better knowledge for them also. Thanks for watching. Have a great day, and until next time, take care.